Hi, my name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Supreme Court orders protection to couple who were denied relief by PNH, High Court observing living relations is socially and morally unacceptable. Hearing an appeal against the final judgment and order by Punjab and Haryana High Court which refused to grant protection to the couple observing that live-in relationship which is morally and socially not acceptable and no protection order in the petition can be passed. The Supreme Court on Friday ordered Punjab Police to grant protection to the couple. The bench of Justice Naveen Sinha and Justice Ajay Rastogi granted liberty to the petitioners couple to supplement their representations to the Superintendent of Police. The court remarked and ordered needless to state that since it concerns life and liberty, the Superintendent of Police is required to act expeditiously in accordance with law, including the grant of any protection to the petitioner in which of the apprehensions threats uninfluenced by the observation of the High Court. The Punjab and the Haryana High Court last month refused to protection to a live-in couple who approached the court after they faced opposition to their relationship. Justice H.S. Madan, in a terse order, charged the couple with approaching the court so as to obtain a seal of approval of their morally and socially not acceptable relationship. As a matter of fact, the petitioners in the grab of filing the present petitions are seeking seal of approval on their live-in relationship which is morally and socially not acceptable, and no protection order in the petition can be passed. In a significant move, the Punjab and Haryana High Court referred to a larger bench the question as to whether the court is required to grant protection to two persons living together without examining their marital status and other circumstances of that case. The bench of Justice Anil Khetrapal also added, if the answer to the above is in the negative, what are the circumstances in which the court can deny them protection? Conflicting rulings of Punjab and Haryana High Court, even in relationship to live-in relationship between two adults, the Punjab and Haryana High Court had, considering the facts of some cases, declined protection to the petitioners. However, a view contrary to this has been also taken by the court. Recently, Punjab and Haryana High Court has reaffirmed that in protection petitioners' questions surrounding the validity of the marriage cannot be ground for denial of protection of the couple's life and liberty. A single bench of Justice Jaskurat Singh Puri has held the scope of the present petition is only regarding the protection of life and liberty of the petitioners, and therefore the validity of the marriage cannot be a ground for denial of such protection. Last week, Punjab and Haryana High Court observed that in live-in relationship may not be acceptable to all, but it can be said that such a relationship is an illegal one and that living together without the sanity of the marriage constitutes an offence. The bench of Justice Jay Shri Thakur observed thus, in a relation matter pertaining to live-in relationship couple who are both major and decided to enter into such relationship and approach the court seeking protection of their life and liberty as against the immediate family members, the girl. In related news, the Punjab and Haryana High Court on Tuesday, May 18, ruled that an individual has the right to formalize the relationship with the partner through marriage or to adopt the non-formal approach of a live-in relationship. The bench of Justice Sudhir Mittal observed thus, in a matter of pertaining to a live-in relationship couple who are both major and decided to enter into such relationship as they are sure of their feelings for each other. The significant observation for the Punjab and Haryana High Court came days after the High Court refused to grant protection to living couple who alleged faced threats from girls' families since their elopement, while noticing that if protection is claimed